Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. Merry Christmas Eve. I'm looking all kinds of crazy. I just washed my hair so you can see the extensions that are straight. You can see my curly afro on top. So now my goal in life is to be able to get myself looking as put together as possible. It is, let's see here. It's 10:33. See that? Watch how long it's going to take me to completely style my hair, to blow dry it, to flat iron it, to curl it, and all that stuff from this point of showering. Just watch how long it's going to take. I'll check back in with you guys in probably a few 100 hours. You gotta have good music on when you're getting ready. If you're gonna be in the bathroom for hours, you gotta have some good music. So have some Maluma on. Okay, so here are all the products that I'm using. I have my Shea Moisture, which is an amazing brand, by the way. No parabens, no sulfates, all that good stuff. This is Shea Moisture. It's anti-breaking styling milk, so you put this in when your hair is towel dry. This is Cream of Nature. I never really use this brand anymore, to be honest with you, because it's not all natural. I mean, it is well, this one is sulfate free, I want to say, but it still has a bunch of other crap in it. So I've just been using this recently until I restock on my normal heat protector products. This is another great brand. It's Carol's Daughter from Brooklyn originally, and this is a styling cream, anti-frizz, anti-breakage. This you put in again when your hair is damp, and then this one, what? You can't read the label. I've used it completely down to the bare minimum of the bottle. That one it's Carol's Daughter. It's just a leave-in conditioner, and then this one here is my Carol's Daughter Edge Control, Black Vanilla Edge Control. So that is it. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going in with my Shea Moisture Anti-Breakage Strengthening Styling Milk. Wow, that's a mouthful. It's certified organic shea butter, plantain, yucca, and it is a strengthening formula that helps weak hair against breakage. Alright, so next I have my Carol's Daughter Styling Cream. What this does is it helps to smoothen, it helps to prevent frizz from happening, detangles, and it moisturizes your hair. And of course, don't forget your ends. I'm just rubbing that right into the ends of my extensions. Alrighty, and lastly, I'm going in with my Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. What this does is it helps to replenish moisture, it improves manageability, and it adds shine. And it just smells amazing. Okay, I have managed to blow dry half of my hair so far. Half the extensions are blow dried. It is now 11:01, so that was a half an hour to blow dry half of my head. 11:17, and I just finished blow drying the other side of my hair. I look like Mustafa. I look all kinds of crazy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my natural hair, flat iron a little bit of the extension, and then I have to go ahead and curl the extension. Okay, so I had to take a breakfast break. I had some cereal. I made myself a little coffee. I have my laptop set in front of me, music off, laptop on. I'm watching Wags Miami. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you watch those shows. Honestly, reality TV gets me every time. Everyone in my family makes fun of me for watching it because I've been watching like reality TV since I was a kid. But I don't know. I don't have any drama in my life, so I find it really entertaining to watch it online. Anywho, so it is now, let's see here, 11:53 is the update. It's 11:53. I'm going to now use my curling wand that I just purchased. It's called Red. It's from the brand Kiss. I've never used or even heard of this brand before. I usually use Hot Tools, their curling wands, but it broke twice. I brought 2 different curling wands from that brand, from Hot Tools, and both the times they ended up broken. So I'm just like, you know what, let me go ahead and switch brands, because clearly Hot Tools is not working out for me, at least for their curling wands. And this one was like 40 bucks from the hair store. I got it from Chloe's hair store. I'll leave a link in the description bar below in case anyone is looking for a curling wand. This one goes to 410 degrees, I think it is, and it actually works out pretty, it's pretty decent for the price. It's so inexpensive. I think it was like $37. Look at that. Nice, right? And they have, this is 1/2 inch, I think it is, and then they have 1 inch, and then they have 1.5 inches. They have all the different sizes. So yeah, I originally wanted one that was a little bit thicker. I ended up getting this one by mistake, but I don't mind it because you can just finger comb the curls out, so it's not the end of the world. Anyways, guys, so I'm just going to finish curling the rest of my hair, and then I will show you guys the end results and the end time to really see how long it took me to do everything. Stay tuned. Okay, so here is the final result. My hair is now curled. My natural hair is now well blended. Let's see what time it is. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. 12:18. So how many hours? I start at 10:30, I think. So how many hours is that? Long time. So yep, you can see that it takes a long time to do my hair, but once it's done, it looks good. So now I'm going to finish getting ready. I'm going to do my makeup, finish watching my episode, finishing my coffee, just relax, and then paint my nails because I'm embarrassed. My nails are looking all kinds of crazy right now. I tried, this is like Revlon nail polish, and it chips so quickly, even though I have like a no chip, like it's supposed to prevent your nails from chipping, the top coat that I was using, which is also from Revlon, and it didn't make a difference. But before I sign off to finish getting ready, I just want to show you guys these extensions that I'm using. This is from a brand called so I ordered from AliExpress. This hair is from a vendor called Ali Pearl. My friends, do not, if you're looking for some extensions, Ali Pearl, in my opinion, is not the way to go. Let me show you why. Just take a look. If you guys get grossed out easily, you might want to skim over like 2.2 seconds. But take a look at this floor right now. Do you see? That's all hair. All this hair literally came from me doing my hair right now. All that you just saw was literally from me blow drying and curling my hair. Look at all this just came out. So if you ask if this hair sheds, it does. It comes out in heaps. That's enough hair for probably a whole nother weave right now. So I wouldn't suggest Ali Pearl. This hair doesn't feel good quality. It's kind of just whatever. It wasn't even that inexpensive. It was pretty yeah, it's pretty expensive actually, and for the quality that you get, no bueno. So just word to the wise, Ali Pearl, this hair that I ordered was definitely no good, but I'm liking the way I styled it, so at least there's that. Okay, so it is officially 1:28 in the afternoon. I started this whole getting ready process at 10:30, I think. Now I forget. 10:30, it is now 1:30. Juanito over there he has managed to go to Etobicoke, run all his errands, like do everything, and I literally just finished getting ready now.
No, let me tell you why. You guys see this? You see this?
I showed them that. They already saw it. Okay. I told them I was watching everything.
So out of the 3 hours that you spend here, you literally spend 45 minutes watching TV.
I multitask.
No, not really. You're like...
See, no.
So, of course it's going to take 3-4 hours to complete this, right? That's the secret.
Okay, so
if you don't have your TV in there, you can finish your makeup in an hour.
You guys know that's not true because you were here and I just pulled out the laptop at the last portion of my getting ready. This is why I document everything, boo. Like, this is why I document everything, because you're trying to say things that are just not true. You know what I mean? So, anyways, haters gonna hate. Alright, so I've now changed. I have my festive sweater on just because it's green. Green is kind of Christmas-esque, right? Right? A for effort, A for effort. Red, and I have pink lips, so you know, a little bit of pink, a little bit of green happening. OOTD, just, you know, my fashion joggers, my knitted sweater from H&M, just keeping it really comfortable. And then, you know, my makeup is done, hair done, check, check, check. Now it is lunchtime and still have to paint my nails.